going to be putting in different mics here. I'm recording, by the way. When we get up to the range, I'll be putting in a different microphone element instead of using the standard Olympus mics.
Okay.
We will be using the binaurals.
You say so. I don't know the difference.
Yeah. The instead of these 290 degrees, we'll be using the SPs-EHBs-2s microphones, binaural 360 degree microphones. Instead of just left and right, we'll be getting full 360.
Okay. Let me see a grounding hole. See if that 22 semi's still on. I'd almost guarantee you that it is.
Now, I'll probably be putting this on YouTube here in the next couple of days. I like to put our shooting expeditions on YouTube.
Yeah, I got new shells I want to try.
Ah.
You ever shoot a short?
I don't know.
I don't think you have. But I have some. I use them for hunting.
Ah. We can still blow stuff away.
Yeah, targets.
I call it plinking.
You're only allowed to shoot targets, they say.
I know. I still call it plinking. Because for me, all I do is point and squeeze.
I know.
That's why I call it plinking.
I call it plinking too, but I aim at what I'm shooting at. Ready?
Go for it.
Try one more.
Be my guest, my friend. Be
That
my
baby
guest.
pops them out of there.
Oh, the projector.
Yeah.
Yeah, it sure does. Yeah.
Now I gotta go see where it hit.
Haha.
Come on.
Is it jammed? Eric, go ahead.
I'll be right back.
Okay. We are now using the SPEHB-2 microphone elements. They're from Sound Professionals and they are binaural microphones. For those who it may concern, I am using earplugs. I learned a long time ago not to use, or not to shoot with naked ears. You need to use earplugs.
It's good enough.
You on?
Huh?
I said, are you on?
It's good.
Target. You good? Now when do I get to shoot?
It's on the mark.
Haha.
I'm gonna try short.
Okay. See how it sounds different too.
It will.
Yeah. Man, I can't wait to listen to this back. Seriously, this is going to sound so cool.
They're like baby 22 shells.
Oh, yeah? Well, they're tinier. You were saying about how short they are. I guess that's why they're called short. They may actually be louder.
I ain't got stalks. Felt like the barrel was loose.
Oh? I think I picked up a different tone. I think it was a deeper tone. I'm using earplugs, so that's...
Shoot longer or short?
Both. I don't care. Man, what's wrong with that?
It needs oil.
Oh,
It's working.
okay.
There you go. Come over here.
Oh,
I have to show you.
oh, okay. What's up?
Here's your safety. Just push it down like that,
Uh-huh.
and it's ready to fire.
Okay. Is there anything I should be specifically looking for?
No.
Okay.
Shit, you hit clear over on the right.
That almost burnt my face
Why?
because I went like this.
Yeah.
I squeezed the trigger and it came up and went,
Huh.
yeah,
Never done that before.
yeah.
Let go.
Oh, sure.
You got to work this thing real hard.
Yeah. I'll make sure not to put my face down there next time. It didn't burn me or anything. It got my attention, though. Must have had my face too close.
I put my face right down on top of the stock.
Did you see how I had my face?
Sort of.
I'll show you. I'm not going to shoot that way, but I'll show you.
There's a short in it now.
Okay, let me make sure the safety's on here.
It is.
Okay. I went like this. And when I squeezed the trigger, it must have come up from like
watch.
I'm not going to shoot that way. I'm moving my face up this way.
You got to take the safety off. Push it down. There you go.
Did it spark or anything up here?
Uh-uh.
Or? I wonder why I felt the air or something like that.
I don't know.
You won't get burnt, but it'll get your attention. Try it yourself.
I do all the time.
Really? Huh. Yeah, I felt it. Not that big of a deal or anything. It's just, it surprised me. Like, don't aim, just hold your...
I hit that bottle up there. We'll put this toy away
Yeah.
once I get the empty out. There it goes.
It's actually nice up here. I like it up here.
I'll be back in a second.
This is actually a roofed-off shooting range. They roofed it off a couple months ago. I think this is the first time I've been up here since they roofed it off. Stuff sounds a lot different. We'll actually be able to hear it in the recording too. So that's kind of cool. And it's 2018 right now.
You know what one that is.
Not off the top of my head.
Huh?
I said not off the top of my head. Now I know what it is.
There.
Hmm?
There should be one or two left in it.
All right.
If not, we'll put more in it.
Yeah. Huh?
Safety's on.
Oh,
I always put the safety on.
I don't blame you.
Pull it back.
Oh. Oh, we're out. Got like 3. I didn't count.
And the dust is still flying back there.
Is it really?
Yeah.
That's because of the wind. I think.
Let's try some of these new shells.
Let's do it. I never protest, do I? At least not when it comes to weaponry. Unless they're trying to take weapons from me. Then I will protest.
I was shooting this at 100 yards one day
I believe it.
and hitting what I was
It's,
aiming at.
hey, that thing is accurate. A lot of people say semis ain't accurate.
This one is.
They is. Yep, they sure is. It's the person behind the rifle that makes a...
And the older the gun is, the better it is.
I believe that. You know why? Probably because of better riflings. Deeper.
That was 5, right?
I don't know. I thought you only did like 4. Is there one more in there?
Nope.
Nope. Okay.
And it's hitting what I'm aiming at
Ha ha.
every time.
Why don't you load me up a clip with those new shells? See what we can do.
Yeah, I'll hit what I aim at with it, both of them.
Oh yeah. Aha.
Safety's on.
All right, just set it back there. Yep.
There's 5 in it.
All right, I'll try to count that high. There we go.
Why you shoot it so fast?
Because it's fun. That's why. Could have shot a lot quicker. Believe it or not.
Huh?
I said I could have shot a lot quicker, believe it or not. That was slow for
I'm
me.
going to try a short.
Isn't that what I just shot?
Huh.
I thought you said they don't work in that.
They will if it's a single.
Oh, just a single shell.
Yeah.
Really? I'll try it. Why not?
Oh,
What happened?
I popped it out.
Uh-oh.
I didn't know if I had it cocked the whole way.
Oh, okay.
Shoots just as good.
That's a bigger sound too.
It's a smaller
It's
bullet.
it's a little deeper like. I'll shoot one, I don't care.
What, a short?
Yeah, hook me up. It's only one, but hey.
It's hard to load with.
Really?
Yeah,
I want to try to shoot freehand if you don't mind.
that is freehand.
No, not with that bench on it, it isn't.
Safety's on.
Here, I got it. Is this okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cool.
That's all it was.
Yeah.
That's
Is
a
that-
pretty cool gun, huh?
Yeah. Is that sitting there good?
It
Okay.
is now.
I didn't want to let go of it and drop it and stuff. That wouldn't be good.
I'll shoot 5 more and then I'll let you shoot it and then we're done.
Sounds good.
I want to pick a fly off.
All right, Daniel Boone.
Huh?
I said, all right, Daniel Boone.
I can do it.
Here's the question. Can you do it with one eye open and the other eye closed?
Yeah.
If I had video, I'd shoot video right now, but I don't have video to prove that.
I have worse time loading it than I do.
Really? Bugs, bugs, and more bugs. I told that one practitioner, I said, if you could give me a pill that would kill bugs on contact, I said I'd consider taking them. She just laughed and laughed and laughed.
This is my squirrel gun.
Ah, it'd be good for it too.
And you can see why.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't see no bug to shoot. I see something I can shoot though. I'm hitting it. Stop. I think that was 5, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was hitting it.
What were you telling to stop?
Huh?
I said, what were you telling to stop?
There's a bush sticking up there.
Yeah.
It has this little end on it.
Uh-huh.
I was shooting the end at it. Every time
Oh.
I'd shoot it, it would bounce.
Okay.
There you go. Safety's on. That's it. I'm going to shoot 5 more.
So much for after I shoot, you're done.
Well, we are done after this.
Hey, shoot with your eyes closed and then open your eyes afterwards.
Can't do it.
Do it.
I'd miss.
Try it.
I'd miss.
Yeah, but it might be more
I don't
fun
like
that
missing.
way. It might be more fun that way.
No, it's not.
Oh, come on.
It's more fun hitting a target.
Nah,
For
try
me,
it.
it is.
Yeah, but you might be surprised. You might hit something after all. Like dirt or air.
Yeah.
I don't
see that big spider up there.
I don't miss either.
I'd shoot it, but I don't want to put a hole in the roof.
Uh-huh.
I would.
I
That
know.
sucker's huge.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't miss either. I hit what I'm aiming at, which is nothing. But nothing's always something.
I don't know what that is. Can?
That's 5.
I know.
Yeah.
So we got it.
Yep.
There you go.
I heard it load. I heard it load.
Yeah, I'll let you shoot it.
I sure did. I heard it load.
That's done. I counted 5.
Awesome.
I'm going to try a short on one of them little ducks.
Shooting's just so much fun. You don't want to stop.
Well, we're going to stop.
It's like Bible reading. It's so much fun.
I'd rather shoot than read the Bible.
I don't know. I don't know about that. No, I don't know about for me. I think I'd rather read the Bible than shoot. But let me tell you, shooting sure is fun. Short of shooting.
Didn't shoot, hit it.
Yeah.
Looks like it hit.
I wouldn't try it. That sounds dangerous to me. If it starts clicking and stuff.
It went off. like that semi.
Yeah, me too.
Bang, bang, bang.
And to think you were going to sell it.
I thought about it. I guess I'll keep it.
I said, that thing's fun. You start thinking about it and you go, yeah, maybe it is fun. And it started to grow on you.
Yeah, now it's got a spot.
Yep. That
Got a
crick.
spot it shouldn't have.
Hey, it's got a good spot. A fun spot. That crick sounds cool.
You know what this bag was too?
Feels like coffee.
That's what it was.
Yeah. I wonder what kind of roast it was.
One of those ones you have.
No, I know. But I mean, I wonder what kind of coffee it was.
Ethiopia.
Oh, Ethiopian. Aha.
Alrighty.
Yeah, I told you could have that, if you recall. Because you asked me, and I said, yeah, I'm
Yeah.
not going to do anything with it.
Ready?
Yeah,
I'm ready.
let's rock and roll for Jesus,
Where's your
man.
cane?
Wait. Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What?
You're slipping.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
That blood pressure.
Oh.
Sounded like you was cocking a dang gun.
Yeah. Yeah, it kind of did, didn't it? Wow.